Hey everyone, thanks for joining me here at ArmensCraftRoom today. We are going to open up day 2 of the Spellbinders 2025 Crafty Advent Calendar. These are year-round crafty items, and I see the day 2 panel here is this pretty purple flower, and with a square shape like that, I'm going to guess it's maybe a small stamp set. So these are perforated, but super hard to open with perforation usually. I broke the last door. Oh, right. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, looks like we're going to get a fall stamp set. Oh, very pretty. Little Cricut pokey tool is super helpful here, but be careful with the stamps not to go pulling them. Okay, and we'll get the little door here. I like to save these because they go inside my packaging, so I know what it's supposed to look like in the future, but there you go. Very fun. Thank you so much, and hope your day is magical. Are the sentiments, and then we've got, looks like some mushrooms and flowers and maybe some grasses. Very nice stamp set. This will be great for a lot of fall cards. Stay tuned for what I make with these. Alright, so for the day 2 window, we had this mushroom stamp and some sentiments. So I've got an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of cardstock here, and what I'll be doing is stamping a ton of images to color and some sentiments to cut out for use in other projects. Okay, so this is a little bit softer than the normal stamps that you buy from them or get from the clubs. It's similar to the stamps that we got in Crop and Create in March in 2025. So just want to rub the manufacturing residue off to help get a crisp image. I'm not going to use my platform because I just want to quickly stamp a bunch of these, and I am going to leave space around the images so that I can use assorted dies from my collection to cut them out. So I'm thinking circles, rectangles, maybe some arches, and in order to do that, you got to give some space. This is Jet Black by Altenew, and this will allow you to do like some watercoloring and other water-based mediums. So I'm going to do a couple in 2 different kinds of ink. And then I'm also going to do a couple in permanent ink. And the way that you mark these would just be taking a pen and going water and alcohol marker. I'm going to drop the second one a little lower, I think. Now this ink pad has been refreshed more recently, so it's a bit juicier. You just press down. If you have a pressing tool, you can use that too. And then we'll put the sentiments along the center of the paper. All right. Okay, glad I shut the camera off for that. When I was wiping this clean, it was so squeaky. So I've never heard a stamp sound like that before. Just FYI, if that sound bothers you, it's gonna squeak when you clean it if you have like a microfiber rag. Okay, and then we've got thank you so much, and hope your day is magical. Ooh, this is fabulous because hope your day is magical. We'll go for magic mushrooms. And anything magic that you might have themed. Magicians, unicorns, dragons, anything like that. I'm going to do plain black, and you can emboss, you can do colored ink, but I don't know what I want to do yet for these, so I think we'll start with the black sentiment, and these are versatile enough in my collection that we can make that work. And I'm going to stamp them each twice because I've got 4 total images. And this will give us a chance to use them on a variety of things. And this one's not holding ink very well. I think I forgot to rub the residue off. There we go. That's not very good, so let me get another scrap. Okay, so my scraps are pretty skinny, so just switch to a thinner block here. And we'll wipe these down. I think I forgot to wipe. There's this squeaky of the stamp. I think I forgot to wipe them down initially. So what I like to do is just pull them out one at a time here. If you lay it on the strip with enough space to give it like a flagged end if you want, and you have a long skinny block, you can stamp them both at the same time. I'm all about saving on that efficiency. And I think we'll get one more set, and I think having 2 extra is probably pretty good. So I'm just kind of wiping the ink over top. Yeah, these don't stamp as well as the ones in the monthly kits, but there is obviously a price difference as well in what you're getting versus in the monthly kit. All right, everybody, I think we'll move on to coloring and creating the cards now. everybody, here's the day 2 cards. That included this stamp set and the thank you so much. I colored these in with altenew alcohol markers. And the arch die is from MFT. This pattern paper is from Hobby Lobby. This one is Stampin' Up. The solids are Stampin' Up. The ink pads for the stamp sentiment are also from altenew. This border die that made the frames, I got this out of my friend Hilary's crafty stash after she passed. I'm not sure what brand it is, but it's awful adorable. I did some purple mushrooms on this card. Those were the thank you so much. They also had a hope your day is magical. And I put that one with some balloons, and I thought it'd be really fun to die cut the stamped colored image out of a balloon for a birthday. And that balloon's scrapbook.com, and the balloon strings are Impression Obsession dies. The foil paper is the reverse side of this botanical print, and those are Splendid Thoughts from Stampin' Up, and all the solids are also Stampin' Up. So there we have it, day 2 cards.
I'd love to know which card is your favorite. Please let me know in the comments below and hit the like button so YouTube will know to send this to other people looking for Advent inspiration. I'll be posting the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar throughout December 2025. Subscribing to my channel is free and allows you to find my videos faster. If you'd like to know when my videos are posted, click on the notification button and select your preferred notification frequency. If you're also crafting with this calendar, please tag me. I'd love to see your projects.